XPS shower niches are becoming a go-to solution in modern bathroom design, but many people still have questions before choosing one. Let's break down what matters most. 1. Is XPS strong enough? Yes and no. XPS is lightweight, water-resistant, and thermally insulated, making it ideal for decorative or functional shower niches. It's perfect for storing shampoos, soaps, and personal care items. But it's not meant to support heavyweight unless reinforced. 2. Is it waterproof? XPS itself is highly water-resistant, which is why it's a favorite for wet areas like showers. That said, it should always be covered with waterproofing layers, like tiles and sealant to ensure long-term performance. 3. Can it handle heat or sunlight? While showers don't usually have direct sunlight, it's worth noting that prolonged exposure to UV or high temperatures can cause deformation. As long as it's tiled and protected, it performs well in typical bathroom conditions. 4. Why choose XPS over traditional materials? Because it's easy to cut, shape, and install. XPS is perfect for custom niches, especially if you are aiming for curved or modern designs. It's lightweight and quick to work with, making it a favorite among both pros and dyers. For bathrooms, XPS shower niches offer smart, stylish storage. Just handle them right, and they'll serve you well.